Hello, welcome. So, a bit of a different video today. We are starting to prep for a big trip that we're doing over to the Northern Territory, and realised that we have neglected one of our camp ovens, and it's pretty shocking actually. It's rusty, it's yuck. Yeah, I normally clean them when we get home, but I just completely forgot, and yeah, this one's turned out pretty dire. So I did a bit of Googling this morning because I was going to just go and buy a new one, but I thought there's got to be a way that you can get rid of some of this rust. So I'm going to try the Coca Cola method, and just thought I'd film it, see if it works. Give you a look at the oven here. Yeah, it's pretty bad. It's kind of gross actually. Let's give it a whirl. So we actually got these cans of Coke. Woolies sent them on an online order as a substitute, and we don't drink them. They've been sat in the garage for probably about 6 months. At least we find a way to use them. Leave it for an hour, the guy said, and come back, and then we'll see if we can give it a scrub. Alright, 2.5 hours later, I've just tipped out the Coca Cola. Not sure yet. I'm gonna give it a little scrub and see how we go, but this is what it looks like with the Coca Cola tipped out. I don't think it's any different, but yeah, we'll give it a go with some sponges and brushes, and we'll see. Pleasantly surprised, didn't go too bad. So I'm just going to give it a little season, an oil, pop it in the oven, and hopefully it should be good to go for our trip to the Northern Territory. I'll show you when it's done.